Welcome again to the Nutrition Impact at Scale training. This time around we are in Mukono and Buikwe, but we've extended our support to Jinja and Bale districts through Sun Business Network and Cascade with support from Global Alliance for Improved Nutrition. The Nutrition Impact at Scale project, integrating market systems for sustainable development, is proving to be a game changer.
This is our third cohort. But the beauty with it is that we have been able to also tackle more about the fish value chain. Because Buikwe has a lot of people producing fish, but also other value chains have been catered for example, the pineapples, soybeans, and peanuts. This time around, we've been able to tackle product development and improvement, which had to include aspects of nutrition, how people source raw materials, how you can maintain supply chains, how best you can improve the product to meet the nutrition requirements for the consumer, but as well, how best you can maintain the quality of the product which is going on the shelf.
One of the value chains in the Nutrition Impact at Scale project is peanuts. Have you ever tasted peanut milk? So during our trainings, which are very, very practical, we are seeing innovation come out. Entrepreneurs are experimenting in product development, product improvement, practically seeing what it takes to bring a product onto the market.
My takeout from this 3 days training that I've had with CWEN, I have learned as a fish farmer to adjust and not only sell my fish to bulk buyers, as that reaches a limited number of people with the nutritious fish, but rather invest in ready-to-eat products so that I can reach a wider community with nutritious fish, especially schools that are limited to access this fish, especially boarding school children. And it will also improve the profits, which will improve communities, because that will actually enable me employ even more people, and that way we will empower economically even the communities that we live among.
What are we looking at? By the end of this project, we believe nutritious products are going to increase on the market. That means nutrition servings are going to be more, but also very, very accessible.
Through this training, I'm going to have a sales register, a purchase register that keeps a record and keeps track of what I've purchased and what I've sold, but also issue out receipts. Also have production cards to help me know the costs.
The training at CWEN has been such an encouragement. I use a kiln to safely smoke fish. That means caring about people's health, taking care of people's nutrition. And so the training has boosted that idea, that passion, because I didn't know that actually people care about their health. Most of the times we are told to simply get a product out there because people just buy anything. But because I am a scientist and I know how important our health is, so coming to this training, I am really boosted because I know that I have connected with like-minded entrepreneurs, business people who want to improve the health of our consumers, our nation, and they have that facility where they have put us in groups so that we can boost the idea of nutrition, putting nutrition at the top of our agendas.
Through this training, I've learned the procedures for certifying my products with NIS. It's not hard. So I'm going to start my journey from tomorrow so that my products can be certified and I supply in the supermarket and other established entities.
We're not about just producing a nutritious product, but we want to see more product generating revenues for these businesses, but also seeing the lives of the entrepreneurs change, but as well the people they serve in their communities, having a more safe community, but also a prosperous business case.
Nutrition in Uganda is key. We grow a lot of food, but we are not selling it with the best unique value propositions. What we are telling our MSMEs to go away with is fast, make safe, nutritious, but very affordable products through product improvement, nutrition alignment, standards, compliance, marketing, packaging, until you present this product onto the market.
I'm grateful that I came in for this training.
for purposes of understanding whatever I'm putting on the market, whatever I'm putting in the container, what is the value in this product? What does it do if somebody actually consumes this product? In the mentorship, they are going to have a chance to visit different suppliers of equipment where they can source relatively cheaper equipment they can use in their production, but as well they are going to be exposed to understanding how real markets work at a bigger scale. They'll be going for exhibitions, understanding how important it is for you to sell your product exclusively.
For the 3 days in this training, what we've gained is going to help us develop a better value addition chain system, because most of us have been producing and focusing on one part of production, and now this is going to help us diversify on that chain.
The MSMEs we have trained, they are going to be integrated with the wider CWEN community, and that means support. So thank you so much, Global Alliance for Improved Nutrition Gain, for funding this project and to extend to us more support from Cascade and SBN.